Hello everyone, assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how do I export Photoshop picture into PSD? So let's start it. At first, open your Photoshop document. Now you can see export Photoshop picture into PSD. Now going to then show the picture. Now we will show that export the PSD in the shape. Now going to the file mode option, then click. Now you select from save as option. Now you show the interface. Now select from file name. Now choose from file name and the type, and choose the format. Now you choose from PSD. Now click open the folder in shape. Now you select open. Now click save. That it's. Now check the file. That it's. Now you can see export Photoshop picture to PSD is very easily. I hope you enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe.